To connect your HiHello account to Salesforce, go to the Settings page in your admin profile. Next, go to the Integrations tab, then click Connect next to your Salesforce integration. On the Overview page that opens, you can read more about how the integration works. When you're ready to proceed, click Connect in the top right. You can choose to use a production account or a sandbox account. Once you've made your selection, you'll be taken to Salesforce. In Salesforce, log into your account and allow access to HiHello. Back in HiHello, your integration is now ready to be set up. On the Configuration page, you can start setting up workflows to sync your HiHello contacts as leads or contacts. The first question is if you would like new cards to automatically start syncing with Salesforce. To set up a configuration, click the toggle next to Sync as Leads or Sync as Contacts. You now have the option to select a default owner for new leads or contacts, to set the lead status, or to select a campaign for your new leads and contacts. You can also configure custom field mappings. Select the field from your Salesforce account on the left that you would like to sync with the HiHello field on the right. If you need to add another field, click plus Add Mapping in the lower left. If you need to remove a field, click the X next to it on the right. If you would like to continue setting up the second configuration, you can click the toggle to begin the workflow. The steps for syncing as leads and contacts are very similar. When you exit the configuration setup page, you can see that your Salesforce integration is now connected. If you click the Sync Options drop-down menu, you will see all of the options currently available in your account. Depending on the configurations you have set up, you can either sync all as leads, sync all as contacts, or sync all as both. If you click the button, you'll see that all of your cards are now syncing to Salesforce as leads. You can use the toggle next to a card to change the status of an individual card. When you're finished making changes, click Save in the lower right.